Okay, today's 5-minute math is about linear equations, which is two-step algebra. We're going to need to get this x all by itself, which means we got to get rid of this 5 or this 9. Let's get rid of the 9 first. So that's a positive 9. We do a negative 9 underneath it. And since there's an equal sign, to be fair, we got to do a negative 9 on the other side. That way we're adding and subtracting the same amount on both sides. Those cross out. Now, we do the crossing out on the left and the math on the right. 44 minus 9 is 35. Now we bring down what's left over. So 5x, or 5 times x. We got to remember x is just a number we don't know yet. So we've got to remember there's a little multiplication sign in there. The opposite of multiplying is dividing, and fractions are just division problems. Visually written. So we're going to divide that by 5, and then we're going to divide the other side by 5, cross that out. X comes down alone, and remember, fractions are division problems. All we do is divide down. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 4 steps. Okay, it'll always be the same steps. We want to keep the x alone. We want to get rid of the 6 and the 4. So the first thing we're going to do, get rid of the 4. Positive turns to negative, so plus turns to minus. Then the second step is we got to do the same thing on the other side of the equation. So we're subtracting 4 on both sides. That way they stay equal. This side is just artwork. All we're doing is crossing stuff out and moving stuff down. On the other side is where we do the math. 40 minus 4 is 36. Now, third step, we do the opposite of multiplying or dividing. This is multiply. 6 times x, fractions divide, so we just put the 6 down there in order to be equal. The fourth step, we put 6 as the denominator here. On the left side, we cross out. On the right side, we do our math. We divide down. 36 divided by 6 equals 6.